આજે જઈશું રણદીપ સુરજેવાलની એક પ્रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस साहब આવી રહી છે, સાંભળીએ।
उठाए गए हर कदम का हम समर्थन करेंगे। प्रदेश के युवाओं की ओर से ये सवाल अवश्य पूछेंगे, रोजगार में आरक्षण तो दीजिए, पर रोजगार कब देंगे? मूलभूत सवाल ये है। टू पुट इट वेरी वेरी ब्रीफली इन इंग्लिश, Congress party has always supported every step for reservation and extending support to the economically poor sections of the society bereft of caste, community or creed, without interfering with the constitutional mandate of reservation given to Dalits, to Adivasis and to backward classes in any manner. We have always supported that those who are genuinely poor but are not covered among these sections may also be given benefit of opportunities and reservation both in education and employment. That has been the stance of the Congress party and Congress President Shri Rahul Gandhi. We will continue to support every such step that provides opportunities as also employment to the economically poor sections of the society. The truth, however, is that in last 4 years and 8 months, Modi government has suddenly woken up to the woes of economically poor, facing imminent defeat in the 2019 elections and with 100 days to go for polls. That itself raises certain questions on the intent, the bona fide and the honesty of Modi government altogether. It is also the truth that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and his government have attacked India's poor, India's farmers, India's traders, India's small and medium businesses consistently, sometimes through the demonetization disaster and sometimes through a flawed GST which has become Gabbar Singh tax. Demonetization disaster itself cost the country 2 crore job losses and 3 crore 50,000 losses in the economy. The truth also is that India is on the verge of the worst job crisis perhaps in the century. The unemployment is at a high of 7.3%, which is perhaps highest in the last 23-24 months. According to one estimate by CMIE, in the year 2018 alone, there were job losses of 1 crore 10 lakhs. Modi ji came to power promising 2 crore jobs a year. He should have been able to create 9.5 crore jobs in 4 years, 8 months or more. He has not been able to create even 9 lakh jobs. On the contrary, Modi government has admitted on the floor of the parliament that 24 lakh government sector jobs are lying vacant, which Modi ji has not filled up in 4 years and 8 months. Question is simple. Please offer reservation in jobs, we welcome it. But when will you create jobs? By destroying jobs and creating reservation in jobs, whom are you trying to really benefit? Indian National Congress stands committed to the welfare of poorest of the poor and providing them employment and educational opportunities through reservation. But the youth of India are asking simple questions. Mr. Modi, where are the jobs? When will the 10 crore jobs that you promised to create in 5 years really happen? What about the 24 lakh posts in government sector that are lying vacant under your charge? How will you recoup the loss of 1 crore 10 lakh jobs in the year 2018 alone?